Today, we're going to present about control system on our case study that is based on closed loop and open loop system. As you can see, my team has two group members, that is myself and Dicky with matrix number 01DEM21F1062 and my partner Dicky Wira with matrix number 01DEM21F1069.
Hello, we continue about open loop system. So, at first, open loop control refers to a control system in which the system's output has no impact on its input, which means it does not have any feedback system. For example, 1. Electric iron. This is block diagram about electric iron.
Di sini saya mempunyai setrika elektrik sebagai example open loop. So saya memasang plug untuk menyalakan setrika tersebut. Setelah memasang plug, lampu telah menyala dan di sini suhu boleh diubah mengikut kain dan sedia untuk berfungsi. So saya memasang plug untuk menyalakan setrika tersebut. Setelah memasang plug, lampu telah menyala dan di sini suhu boleh diubah mengikut kain dan sedia untuk berfungsi.
And next, how to improve the electric iron. First, using heat insulated wire. Second, raise the temperature of the iron more quickly. Third, has complete security features. Next, we look about electric bulb, and this is the block diagram about electric bulb.
Okey, di sini saya mempunyai mentol dan pemegang mentol. Maka saya ingin memasang seperti berikut. Setelah dipasang, maka ia akan kelihatan begini dan saya ingin masukkan dia dan memasangnya ke dalam plug dan saya akan menghidupkan switch. Maka mentol akan menyala.
So, how to improve the electric bulb is first, increase energy efficiency. Second, lower electric bills, longer bulb life. And next, better and safer light source of all. And the third one is hair straightener. Hair straightener start with switch held down, control output driver, heater switch on.
Okey, di sini saya mempunyai pelurus rambut elektrik. Maka dia berfungsi dengan saya memasang plug dia dan di sini lampu telah menyala. Maka boleh untuk menaikkan suhu, switch menaikkan suhu dan menurunkan suhu. Maka di sini adalah power button dan ia sedia untuk digunakan. Ini adalah suhu maksimum dan ini adalah suhu minimum.
Next, we see about improvement. How to improve the hair straightener. First, save electricity use. Second, rises the heater temperature more quickly. Third, does not damage the hair when using it for a long time. Next, about electric fan. This is block diagram about electric fan.
Okey, di sini saya mempunyai kipas sealing, dan sini adalah switch dia. Maka saya tekan switch ini, maka kipas ini akan berpusing.
So this is the improvement of the fan. First, does not provide much dust when used for a long time. Second, can rotate more smoothly and does not make noise. Third one is can actually quit quickly when the switch has been pressed. So next has a head dryer. So this is the block diagram of hair dryer.
Di sini saya mempunyai sebuah pengering rambut dan mempunyai dua level. Maka saya on switch ni dan saya boleh dan mempunyai dua tahap, tahap 1 dan tahap 2. Ke bawah sekali adalah untuk mematikannya.
How to improve the hair dryer? First one has a temperature that suits the condition of the hair. Second has a strong wind and does not require high temperature when drying hair. Third one is differentiate between cool wind and hot wind. The advantages of open loop systems is open loop control systems are very simple and easy to design. Second, these are considerably cheaper than other types of control systems. Maintenance of an open loop control system is very simple. Generally, open loop systems are stable up to the extent. Lastly, these types of systems are easy to construct and are convenient to use. This about disadvantages about open loop system. First, the bandwidth of open loop control system is less. Second, the non-feedback system does not facilitate the process of automation. Next, open loop systems are inaccurate in nature and also unreliable. Lastly, if their output is affected by some external disturbance, there is no way to correct them automatically as these are not non-feedback system. This is all for open loop system.
I'm going to tell about my part, that is closed loop system. I have 5 examples and some demonstration of it. Closed loop system is a mechanical or electronic device that works automatically, adjust a system, maintain our desired state or set point without involving any human. Unfortunately, it will make use of feedback systems such as sensor. First thing first, we have our refrigerator. For your information, inside our refrigerator, we have a thermostat. So we're gonna set our daily temperature on that thermostat. After we set our daily temperature on that thermostat, it will go through our controller. We will process the information and it will actuate the refrigerator, which is our actuator is our compressor, and then the temperature inside the refrigerator will cooling down, and after a moment the feedback system, which is our temperature sensor, will detect the drop of the temperature, and after it achieve our desired temperature, the refrigerator will stop working for a while and then working again because the temperature inside the refrigerator has increased.
Okey, untuk pengetahuan anda, ini adalah thermostat dalam peti sejuk. So, kita yang perlu setkan suhu yang kita nak dekat sini. So, bila suhu dah mencapai tahap maksimum ataupun suhu yang kita nak, peti sejuk ni akan berhenti beroperasi buat sementara waktu. Dan bila suhu dah turun, peti sejuk ni akan beroperasi seperti biasa.
There is an improvement that should improve in the device. First, it should add a temperature display on the thermostat so we can know what is the temperature that we set, such as 16, 17 like that. Second, it should add a door lock to prevent kid from opening it. This because instead of using a magnetic door, I think it should add a feature that is the door lock so it can prevent kid from opening or suddenly open. Second, we have our air conditioner. First, we're gonna to set our temperature to cool off our room, and it will go to our microcontroller and a conditioner system, and the output is the air conditioner will suck up the heat and will release a cool air into our room. And after for a while, it will also stop working because it have a temperature sensor where you send the temperature is already reach our desired temperature. After a moment, when the temperature go up, it will start working again.
Ini adalah cara-cara yang berfungsi. Kita hanya perlu men-setkan suhu yang kita nak. So, sekarang ni saya setkan pada suhu 25 darjah Celsius. Okey, aircon ni function dia ialah dia akan menyedut udara panas keluar dari bilik. Itu udara panas akan menyedut daripada sini dan akan keluar. Dan dia akan keluarkan air sejuk untuk kekalkan bilik ni pada suhu 25. Dan aircon ni dia akan slow apabila temperature sensor dia dapat detect yang suhu dia dah maintain level 25, dan bila suhu tu dah naik, aircon ni akan fungsi lebih kuat sikit.
I think there is some improvement need to improve in the device, such as improve the cooling system to make it cool the environment faster, so we can set up more time for waiting the room to cool off. Second, it need to add an infrared sensor to sense human being, so it can focus on that part without focus on every part in the room. Third, we have a shower tank with floating ball control valve. First, we have to set the floating ball control valve on a certain level of our water tank. When the water level go down, the valve will open for the water flow to flow in the tank. After a moment, the tank will fill up with water, and the valve will flood again and close the valve to prevent water flow to flow inside the water tank.
Ini adalah cara-cara air di tangki air dikawal menggunakan benda ni. So, bila isi padu air di dalam ni dah penuh, pelan-pelan akan naik. So, air tu tidak akan mengalir. Tetapi kalau air dalam tangki air ni berkurang, air akan mengalir. So, isi padu air dalam tangki ni dikawal oleh benda ni.
There is an improvement for this device, such as add a water level sensor for a backup if the floating ball is broken. So we can prevent water waste on this device if we add a water level sensor on this device. Another thing is we should add another floating ball valve to free up the tank quicker. It will be efficient than one output, so we can add another ball valve to improve the flow rate of our water that flow into our tank. Third, we have our automated sliding door, and we have our input with our power supply and our processing and microcontroller, motor output, and our feedback system is PIR sensor. So when it send human or movement, it will actuate the microcontroller, and then the motor will rotate to open the door. After a few moments, when there is no movement, the door will close. Okay, sekarang saya berada di supermarket Simat dan saya akan demonstrate pintu automatic di Simat ini. So, kita nampak ada orang di sini. So, bila orang dekat, dia akan buka sendiri. I think there is some improvement that need to add on this device, such as ultrasonic sensor. So, the PIR sensor will not actuate all the time, and it will actuate at a certain distance, so it will not open the door automatically or accidentally to open the door for the customer or non-customer to enter it. And second, we have to use a gear for a better rotation, because if a gear, it will slide smoothly and more quickly to open the door. Last, we have our elevator. So it will start the process in auto switch, which we press the switch, and then it will go to the controller. We will control the level or the processing of the elevator, and then it will go to transmission mechanism, which will allow the lift to go up or go down, or process floor by floor with the auto switch have been pressed. And then the process is the elevator will go to our desired floor or our floor selection, so we can reach our destiny or destination more quickly. Okay, mula-mula kita tekan button ni dulu untuk dia datang ke arah kita. Lepas tu, okay, dan lift akan turun ke arah kita. Lepas tu kita just pilih arah saja. I think there is some improvement that you improve on this device, such as add a rail for smoothing the lift movement, so it will go up and down smoothly without any disruption. Second, we have to make a lower button for a shorter person to easily access it, so they can access the button easily and no need to ask another person to press a higher level for her or him to go to the level. Every system will have an advantage and disadvantage. First, I will tell about the advantage of closed loop system. So closed system are more accurate even in the presence or non-linear. Second, the sensitivity of the system may be made small to make the system more stable. Third, the closed system are less affected by noise. And the disadvantage of the closed system are costlier or complex because it have to program and hard to manage. Second, the feedback in the closed system may lead to accelerated response, which is when the sensor is sensing or too sensitive. Maybe if the device will work out of our control. Third, the feedback reduce the overall gain of the system. And last but not least, stability is the major problem in the closed system, and more case is needed to design a stable closed system. That's all from us. Thank you.